Oppo Reno10 Pro plus 5G flagship phone. Rear camera 50 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 64 megapixel. No of rear cameras 3. Front camera 32 megapixel. No of front cameras 1. Pro power in portrait. Clarity every time, everywhere. Ultra clear portrait camera system. Unforgettable moments, unbelievable portraits. 32 MP telephoto portrait. Camera. Evoke movie magic with a tap. Create and adjust dreamy spot blur and flare backgrounds in seconds with Pro Portrait mode. It comes in 2-color glossy purple silvery gray. .3D curved design. Feel the flawless fit. Enjoy unparalleled comfort through the carefully curved, smooth contours of your phone, sculpted to fit your hand perfectly. Light as a feather with rock-solid performance. Don't take its sleek and slim structure lightly. It's a powerhouse that barely weighs. Experience immersive delight like never before. Treat your eyes to a borderless screen with a 120Hz ultra-high refresh rate, which offers a top-of-the-line viewing experience with a perfect grip. Battery. 4,600 mAh battery. 80W SuperVOOC flash charge. Reverse charging. Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G chipset. 2.4 GHz octa-core processor. 12 GB RAM. 256 GB inbuilt memory. Memory card not supported. IR remote control works with most smart appliances and devices, giving you complete control of your environment from a single device.